2 of Arizona's counties could be headed back into the red category for transmission of the virus. That could have an impact on schools and businesses. As ABC 15's Nicole Grigg reports, this news comes right before big decisions for parents and teachers.
Flagstaff Unified School District will learn remotely through fall break. Leaders there are expected to discuss the return of in-person learning within the next 2 weeks. But the question is, will they be put on pause with cases going up? Coconino County telling us they have received information from the state health department that the county will likely be moving back into the red for community transmission. However, they say they await guidance and direction from the state on what this will mean for businesses and mitigation measures.
The expectation is they are going to remain open.
Governor Doug Ducey making it clear on Thursday that the economy, schools, and tourism are open. But the state's own guidance from August 10th says businesses like restaurants and bars in the red should be closed.
To me, standards are standards, and if you're going to set standards, you should use them. But if you decide that you don't like your standards, then change them.
The state's former top public health director, Will Humble, says the state needs to be clear on what the standards are for the public and especially businesses.
They need to plan for staffing. They need to plan for how much alcohol to order, how much food to order. And if they're going to get shut down suddenly, they need to know that in advance. And one of the ways you would know that is by looking at the standards that have been developed. And so that's why it's important that if you're going to have standards, to be clear about what they mean.
The governor's office telling me that guidance was put in place back in August to drive down the numbers, and that guidance was when we were in a different place. Along with Coconino County, Pima County is also expected to move back into the red. In Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.